If you want to learn how to create and sell Etsy printable products online and make passive income, then hang tight. Because I'm going to share with you some examples of what's working right now, what's hot, and exactly how you can do this for yourself with almost zero design skills and zero money. And hang on till the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you how you can even get all this done for you, so you never have to lift a finger to do the actual work yourself. And if it's your first time on the channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to keep delivering these passive income videos online, giving you plenty of ideas and examples and showing you exactly how you can start making money online today. So what is Etsy anyway? Well, Etsy is an online shop, and as you can see, it's actually been trending upwards for the last few years, which means that now is a great time because people are going on it, people are then searching on it, and ultimately, the good thing for you, people are buying from it. And of course, here we're talking about printable items. So if you go onto Etsy, what you're going to see on screen now is where I've just typed printable, and there is a whole bunch of ideas right now. The good thing about this is it's very much like using Google search. You know, the autocomplete, that is the same thing on here. So it means that Etsy will actually give you ideas based on what people have actually searched for in the past. And all I need to do is just add a space, and it's going to tell me all of these options here, which are the top options that people are looking for. So without going into too much fluff, I want to get right into it and show you example number one. This here is printable wall art. Now, you can go and find these images somewhere else, or you can actually use images you've taken yourself, which makes an amazing, unique product. And as you can see, people are loving this particular product or style, and they will go crazy and spend a lot of money on it, which is obviously great for you. Next up is a digital planner. Now, these planners could be for almost anything. They could be a weekly planner. They could be a life planning everything bundle. There's absolutely tons of ideas on here that you can just go ahead, have a look and see what other people are doing. Go to Canva, emulate it yourself, and then obviously, we're not saying copy here, by the way, put your own spin on it, but then you can upload it as a digital file onto Etsy. Another idea for you, a little bit seasonal this one, but it's calendars. Now, when you get towards the end of the year, people are looking at what sort of calendars would they like? Do they want them where they're just printed on the wall, or do they want them so that they can scribble on them on the table? Or even in some cases, you can actually get them so they stand up. All of these things can be done within Canva, and obviously easily then uploaded as a digital file onto Etsy to make that passive income. Next one is printable cards. Now, this can be seasonal too, because you've got all these different holidays through the year, but I guarantee someone will want this every single day of the year because it's someone's birthday, right? So you're going to get loads of people looking for printable birthday cards, sometimes that they can alter themselves. So when you're using Canva, you can actually use a template, send them the template, and they can then alter it to the name or even add a photo themselves within the template itself to make it that little bit more personalized. And getting back onto Canva, showing you the different examples that you can use just for the calendar. There's over 2,800 templates of just calendars. There's absolutely stacks of them. So it'd be very easy to alter one of these and just upload it as your own. Now, please remember, I'm not saying copy anything. What I'm saying is you can emulate it, you can put your own spin on it, but ultimately it has to be unique, because no one likes someone stealing their ideas, right? But how are you going to know it's going to sell? Well, that's a big question, and a lot of people just starting out are going to want to know this. They want to know what the hot products are, how much something's sold for, how many times it's sold for, ultimately how much people are making money on. And that's why it's a good idea to use something like Sales Samurai, because it's going to go through based on keywords, or you could even add the listing that you find on Etsy into Sales Samurai, and it will tell you exactly how much it's made. And if you really don't want to do this for yourself, then obviously during the start of the video I mentioned Fiverr. So if you have a little look, I've done a quick search for Canva calendar template, and there's 254 people willing to do this. Now I put a budget of under £5. Now it could be $5, €5, whatever your currency is. You can go onto Fiverr and go ahead and get these things done for you. So if you don't want to actually design it, or you don't have the skill set for it, that's fine. You can pay someone just a few pounds, dollars, euros, whatever it is, and have this product done for you. And if you're really keen on earning passive income, I put together this book where you can go ahead and check out my 7 steps to making passive income. And of course, if you want to go even further than that, then make sure you watch this video next.